All right, we got another video with the AMC, and we're gonna introduce the wife. So wifey's gonna drive.
This is a very hot handle, so.
Yeah, it's been sitting in the sun for a while.
Thank you.
I'll have to push your seat up too. So she hasn't driven. Is the seat hot?
Yeah, it's freaking hot.
Oh, sorry.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry. You get the towel?
No, it's fine.
It'll cool off.
Holy.
Anyhow, so I got the new key cylinder, the new blinker, whole front end aligned. It's not going to turn right anymore. You have to enjoy the straightness. So we're gonna get her impressions of the new front end. Go on a family dinner date. Some nice weather today. It's only like 85 right now. Sun's out, but yeah, hopefully it's gonna be a fun little ride. And I'll start it when we're out of my area. I don't want y'all following me. I mean, it's not that hard to follow this car though, but are you ready?
Yeah.
Why'd you bring your mask? Oh, we need a mask for the Taco Bell COVID. All right, in. Yeah. Z bumps.
Right.
We gotta wait for the traffic. It's the traffic to go away.
Good.
Yeah. Don't talk to the camera, you're driving.
The steering wheel is a lot better now. Glad to see it's not falling off.
Yeah, it fell off our first date. Actually, the nut went down all the way and it popped off. User error.
Yeah.
Now the steering wheel's try to wiggle it back just a little bit.
It has a lot less leeway than it used to, for sure.
Yeah. All the ball joints are tight, brand new. The whole front end's never been rebuilt since I've had it till now. Let go of the steering wheel real quick. Oh yeah, driving straight. Alright, you can hold the steering wheel back again, just in case. But yeah. We're liking it. I don't know if you guys can hear me, because it's so empty in here. There's a lot of echo. But yeah, we're just driving, cruising. We're gonna go get some Taco Bell.
Getting the TV.
The TV. The good old TV. You got any words?
Right.
No words. I'll have her drive it, have all the little high schooler kids at the Sonic break their necks like normal, but yeah, I'll get some B-rolls and that's it. We're gonna enjoy the night.
House.
We got the TV.
Yeah, we got all the Taco Bell, all of it. FYI. Yeah, John drives like a madman, so don't mind him.
Someone's got to break it in. It's an LS. Where do you go, left or right?
LS, I swear. Right, yeah, left.
I'm gonna use my actual blinker.
I tried to use blinker, didn't work for me, so.
It worked.
What's a blinker? You know what I'm saying?
I heard it click.
Anyways, this is the wonderful area of Oklahoma. Choctaw, Oklahoma. Yes, nothing to see here, so.
Just a bunch of high schoolers chilling at a Sonic drive-thru. That's about it.
That's right.
Here.
We've got a nice railroad track right over there. That's about it, though.
You see my seatbelt? Yeah.
I like to sit real railroad tracks. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at them. Nice big oak tree there. There's also a morgue. Literally right there. It smokes sometimes.
We rub it. We rub it again.
Ooh, smell the tires.
Yeah, that'll go away once we do the 488 swap. Because it'll narrow in an inch and a half. Speaking of that, we're not going to put 373 gears in it. We're going to put 410 gears in it. Because this T56 is an LT1 T56. So 6 gear is a 0.5 ratio. If it was an LS T56, it would be 0.63. Then we'd probably do a 373. But since I got big old meaties in the back, we'll do a 410. It'll probably be like 390 after all the math and stuff. We'll get to that.
Money. Anyways, alright. We're about to pull into our buddy's house, so talk more later. Bye.
Come on, man.
Alright.
There's so many boomers out right now. It's so annoying.
One of our buddies lives right next to a main road, and you got all these,
Straight pipe, redneck, V6 trucks.
it's like right next to the high school, so of course you got all these kids.
They're like, they see your car and they're like,
The amount of people that flew by his house was insane. Insane.
this is why. And one of my videos, I say, don't move to Oklahoma for the weather, but just don't move to Oklahoma in general. There's some cool cars. There's some fucking stupid people.
Except our friends.
Yeah, except for our
cool.
friends. Our friends are
Very cool.
Ugh. And our roads. Our roads are ass too. You want like a low car or anything? Yeah, come on down. Replace your oil pan every other week. What was your experience with the first Friday night date in the green car? Finally.
Well, we haven't had a date in a long time, mainly because of COVID, but also because John doesn't take me on dates.
Yeah.
I guess I'm not cool enough, but it's fine.
Green car went running. It's not fun to go on a date in a Ford
But
Fiesta.
we've only ever really had dates in this car, so it's pretty fun.
This is our date car.
It's been repoed, it's been broke down, the steering wheel's fallen off,
Wrecked.
it's been wrecked,
Actually,
we
the
hit a
steering wheel
deer.
fell off right here.
We've got pulled over like every season,
Oh, yeah.
racing.
Oh yeah, at least once.
Every single time get freaked out, but it's fine.
What else?
John got his carpet for the first time in the middle of a rainstorm, and instead of him, waiting, he decides to put it in the rain. It gets 100% muddy. So then it's already ruined because he was impatient. So then he rips it back out. So there was no point, but that's okay. Isn't that right, John?
Yeah, I'm sure some of the viewers though, when you get a new part, you want to put it on now.
But then he's had this lime green speedometer for a while. It's pretty cool. He used to have it where it actually goes, but then he got these guys, which are pretty cool. I did the glove box wrap, actually. If it looks like crap, I didn't do it, but anyways, yep.
I think it's the nicest thing in this car.
What, the wrap? That's right. I'll zoom in on it. Yep.
Eventually,
Yep.
the whole dash is gonna get redone.
Yeah, we painted the dash. We've done a lot of stuff on the dash, but it's a work in progress. So I don't know what they're building right there. Maybe another gas station. Who knows? Oh, I bet it is. Huh?
I don't know. See, look, there's a cop. $100 you get pulled over. How much you want bet?